See next project here. I just pull up, wash out the bottom off and thing. See there just a diesel oil in there, so camshaft pretty. Yeah man. So I just wash off the thing here. Non-cat filter on cat. Problem that. See what I'm going there. Piston mash up head. So this is a project. Next project, see there. See. Camera now focus 3306. So yeah, see there 3306. Cooler. Everything, so basically I have to go grind out the sleeve there and get the piston out. You see me? So that's the whole thing with that project here. See oil pump there, spacer plate, flywheel, see all the suction there, everything. So as me say, that type project. So here's the parts them there around. Rock and push rod, pump, them little thing there, you see me? So and then little thing there are done all in due time. So as me reach to a level, I change the bearings them and so I just post up and thing, you see me? So I end the video this, you know, so this is it.